welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today we're building a PC. So to choose all the parts for this build, I'm going to be using PC Part Picker. However, I'm going to be purchasing all these items using umart.com.au. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. So let's get started. So for the CPU, I have chosen a Ryzen 5 5600X. For the cooler, I have chosen a Corsair H100. For the motherboard, I have chosen a Asus Prime B550 MA Wi-Fi 2 motherboard. The memory, I've gone 2.6 of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM, one at 3200 and one at 3600. At the time, I didn't realize that I purchased 3600 RAM. I was attempting to get 3200, but then long story. For the storage, I've gone with a Crucial P3 500GB. I've gone for a Western Digital Blue 7200 RPM drive, as well as a 1TB I've already had from a previous computer, and a 1TB Crucial BX 500 SSD. GPU I've chosen is the MSI Ventus RTX 4060. The case, I've chosen a Dencrn NX200M. For the power supply, I've gone with an 850 watt Corsair RM850E. For the operating system, I am currently running Windows 11, and I'm using I didn't purchase a Windows key, but altogether it comes to 1,545 Australian dollars. Now, let's go get the parts. Okay, so I was just sitting here on my computer, just like on Discord and all that, and I just see a notification saying that the PC case is on its way. Yay! I'm just waiting for the motherboard, CPU, power supply, and I think that's it. Let me double check. I'm waiting for the motherboard, CPU, and power supply. But the case is on its way here today, which is really good. Yeah. So the case has arrived. This is the first part of the PC. I didn't realize how small it was. I actually thought it was going to be quite big. But I'm very familiar with old 2013 based systems where the case is just gigantic. Yeah, this is the case I've chosen. It is the Dencrn NX200M in only black, because I don't have white and I don't like RGB. But yeah, not much longer left until we start on building the PC.
Tomorrow.
So I'm currently getting my motherboard from the post office, so I decided to change up the content a little bit and film some trains. This is what happens when you're on the Dencrn channel. You get to see trains. That's a joke, I swear, that is a joke. But yeah, I'm on my way to go get my motherboard. The case has already arrived, I've seen the last clip. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Dencrn. I make videos on tech, mainly with phones, Apple, just computer related stuff in general. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make monthly content, I try to at least. But yeah, I'm on my way to go get the motherboard. I'll meet you guys when we're there. Okay, because I ordered the motherboard off Umart, they decided to slap a fat little sticker right here. I'm trying to take it off, and I ripped the bits of the box off, which I actually wasn't intending to do. I was going to try to keep this all for storage, but after I build the PC, I'm going to throw the box out. But I'm going to use it to build a PC. So, yay. That's absolutely wonderful. That this has already happened when I was trying to take off the sticker. It's okay. I'm going to get this off, go find my other GPU, my old GPU, which is an RX 480. Don't know where the hell I don't know where the hell that is. I'm going to go look for it. I will meet you guys when we're back.
Tomorrow.
Okay, hello, welcome to day, of me collecting PC parts. Today, my CPU and my power supply have arrived, so I'm gonna go get that, and who knows, I might start building my PC today. I just still need to order the RAM, cooler, and the GPU, which that shouldn't be too much longer. I'm gonna be saving up for the GPU for the next couple weeks, so I can potentially get the one I want. Maybe I might get a 4070. I don't know. I don't need a 4070, but I could get more power if I wanted to. But I probably won't. I'll end up getting a 4060 anyways. So I'm gonna go to the post office to get it, and meet you guys when we're back, and I'll probably start building. Okay, so the CPU and power supply is in this Synology box. So I'm gonna open this up and hopefully it's got my CPU and power supply in it. So after unboxing the CPU and power supply, I discovered this on my way back. This right here is where I got my computer to post for the first time. It is filmed in a portrait state, so I do apologize, but that is basically the remainder of this video, because after that it's all just clips from my phone. Hell yes, I did it. Holy crap. So this is where I was meant to give an update on my PC, but the file is a complete missing file and it's not findable on my computer at all. Lovely, because I wanted it to be in this video. But it's okay, we can move on. But this is pretty much just me testing if I could get Linux working, which of course I ended up getting Linux working. Yippee. But yeah. So, the PC is built, I got Linux running, however I immediately went back to Windows because Linux is an absolute mess on my PC because I have a NVIDIA GPU. Thanks NVIDIA for being you, a piece of f***ing shit. Anyways, if you want to see me daily drive Linux for a month by using Pop! OS, definitely write it down in the comments, but also consider subscribing to the channel. It actually helps a lot and it helps me make more videos and potentially post more, or... But yeah, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you happen to enjoy it and you want to see more videos like this, then definitely consider subscribing. If you want to go support me and get some extra content and some more stuff, there's a Patreon link down in the description below. That happens to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.